Hello, dear learners, heartiest greetings to you and welcome to our online class. Dear learners, hope you are healthy and hearty. I am Mokarom Hossain, Assistant Teacher English, Birgon's Ibrahim Shikhaniketon, Birgon's Dinaspo. Dear learners, you know that nowadays we are passing through a critical moment because of novel coronavirus, and for this reason panic, fear and consternation is spreading everywhere. As a result, our tender learners are badly affected. They cannot continue their classes with their school. As a result, our tender learners are lagging behind day by day. After that you have to complete your syllabus and you have to get ready for the coming exam. So dear learners, let's start and go to the whiteboard. Follow me, dear learners. And first of all, I should say something that when we say something, we can express our feelings in different way. We can use a sentence in various ways. Sometimes we can say, I have eaten rice, and in another way we can say rice has been eaten by me. This is a style of speaking, and this type of style is called voice. And you know voice. What is voice? You can see here, dear learners, you can see our today's topic is voice. And first of all, we should know the definition of voice. Voice is a type of conjugation of verb by means of which is indicated the relation of the subject of verb to the action that the verb expresses. Learners, you can see voice is of two types. Number one, active voice, and number two, passive voice. Active voice and passive voice, it is known to all. And passive, we do passive with tenses, with 12 tenses. That means we should know the rules of 12 tenses, then we can solve the problem of voice. But today I will give you two easy rules by which you can solve the 12 tenses. With only two rules, you can solve the voices of 12 tenses. Follow me. Tense. 1. Continuous, and number 2, non-continuous. We can divide 12 tenses into two parts, and they are continuous and non-continuous. Continuous and non-continuous, only two types. In one type, in continuous tenses, we will have 6 tenses. In continuous tenses, we will have 6 tenses, and they are present continuous, present perfect continuous, past continuous, past perfect continuous, future continuous and future perfect continuous. In this way, if we find that in non-continuous tenses, we will have another 6 tenses, and they are present indefinite, present perfect, past indefinite and past perfect, future indefinite and future perfect. In this way, we can divide 12 tenses into two groups, and they are continuous and non-continuous. Dear learners, today I will discuss before you these two rules. These two rules, by using which you can solve the rules of 12 tenses. So be careful and follow me attentively. Voice is two types, active and passive. Now we will discuss the rules of in case of continuous tenses. In case of continuous tenses, these rules will be effective only for continuous tenses, only for 6 continuous tenses. And the rule is, follow the rule. Rule, object. When we will do the voice, when we will change a voice from active to passive, then we have to follow this rule for continuous tenses. First, we have to take object. Then auxiliary. Auxiliary means be verb. Auxiliary means helping verb. Auxiliary verb. Then follow being, past participle or V3. Past participle or V3. V3 means verb number 3. For example, do, did, done. Here done is V3. And if we say go, went, gone, then gone will be V3. Write, wrote, written. Here written is V3. That means past participle. You know it. Then extension. Follow extension, and the word extension is in the bracket. Why extension is in bracket? Because extension won't always be in the sentence. Extension or additional part may not be always in the sentence. If we have any extension in the sentence, then you will have it in this place. Okay. Then by plus subject, and not directly subject. Here we have to take objective form of subject. Again, object, auxiliary verb, helping verb, then being, past participle, extension, plus by, then subject, objective form of subject. Now follow some examples. Example 1. He is doing the sum. Dear learners, notice what type of sentence, what type of tense it is. What type of tense? This example is from present continuous tense. Am I right? Yes, present continuous tense. And example number 2, we are not watching television. It is also an example of present continuous tense. Just it is a negative sentence. Negative. Example number 3, the man has been writing a novel for 3 months. The man has been writing a novel for 3 months. It's an example of present perfect continuous tense. So let's solve this voice. First, we will follow the rule. First, we have to take object. Here, which is object? In this sentence, the sum is object. The definition of object. What is done? Is called object. So here we will take the object, the sum. Object, then object. Then I will take auxiliary. Auxiliary. Which is auxiliary here? Is auxiliary. And in present continuous tense, there are three auxiliaries. Am, is, are. Am, is, are. And which will be appropriate in this sentence? We will take the sum. The sum is a singular noun. Singular. Then here appropriate will be is will be appropriate. Here is will be appropriate. The sum is. Then we have to take being. Then past participle or V3. Past participle or V3. Then we have to find out verb. Here doing is verb. Doing verb. And here do is base verb. Base form of verb. Do is base form. Do. Then do, did, done. Here done will be past participle. Done. Then we can ask ing. What we can do with ing? Ing will turn into being. Ing has already been turned into being. That means we have to take being in case of ing. In place of ing, we have taken being. Okay? Past participle. Then we have to take by. Then objective form of subject. Here subject is he. In this sentence he is subject, and of this subject objective form is him. Dear learners, can you follow me? Can you follow the rules? How do you feel with this rule? Again, here object, the sum, object, then auxiliary, is, then being, V3, here V3, past participle, then is do, did, done, then by, and objective form of subject. He, him. Next example. We are not watching television. Dear students, the rule is saying at first we have to take object. Which is object in this sentence? Object, television. Right, television. Then auxiliary verb. Here are. In this sentence, are is auxiliary. Are. And earlier we have known that there are three auxiliaries in present continuous tense. Am is are, and we have to think that television. What type of noun is television? It is singular. That's why you have to take here is not are. Is. Television is not. S. It is a negative sentence. That's why you have to take not. Television is not. Here we can add, in this case, not. If we have the sentence negative, then we have to add here not. We have to make the passive form also not or negative. Television is not being. Television is not being. Then past participle. Which is past participle? Here verb is watching. So past participle will be watched. Watched. Here base form is watched. 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 Then by subject we, and the objective form of we us. Okay, television is not being watched by us. Okay, then example number 3. Example number 3. The man has been watching a novel. The man has been watching a novel. The man has been the man has been writing a novel for 3 months. This example is from present perfect continuous tense. First, we have to take object because the rule is same for 6 continuous tenses. Object. What is object? A novel. A novel. Novel is object. A novel. A novel. Then in this sentence there is no not. That means it is not negative. That's why it is unnecessary to take not. Auxiliary. First object, then auxiliary. What is auxiliary? Here has been. Auxiliary is has been. And here should be noted that the auxiliaries of present perfect continuous tense are have been and has been. Which will be appropriate in the sentence? A novel is singular, that's why we have to take has been. Not have been, has been. Has been, then S, the sentence is not negative, that's why we don't have to take not, then we'll go to being. We have to take being, then past participle or V3. Here verb is writing, that means write, wrote, written. Here written is past participle. A novel has been being written, then extension. Notice, dear learners, notice attentively, extension. In this sentence, we had an additional part, an extension, that is for 3 months. For 3 months, we have to take or we have to write for 3 months in this place. For 3 months. For 3 months, then by and objective form of subject. Here subject is the man is a noun, and the objective form of a noun becomes the same. Noun. Okay, the man will be the objective form of this noun. The man. Dear learners, we have completed one rules successfully, and that is in case of continuous tenses. And now we'll see again. Rule is object, auxiliary, not in case of negative sentence, then being, past participle or V3, extension, by, subject, objective form of subject. Dear learners, now we will discuss the rules for non-continuous tenses. And you keep watching these rules till then. Dear learners, what I was telling that we have finished only one rules by which you can solve the voices of 6 continuous tenses, and in next classes I will discuss the rule number 2 by which we can solve the rules of the rule of 6 non-continuous tenses, and I hope you will practice this type of these rules. And if you face any problem, then you will review this video, and you have to take down, you have to note down some points, you have to note down the rules and examples. And here what is very important, that is you have to practice these examples more and more. You have to practice these examples more and more, then you will easily understand this rule, and you can solve all voices of these 6 continuous tenses. And number today, best of luck, and keep your study regularly, and take care of yourself. Best of luck. Thank you.